Have you ever thought about how code changes with the seasons? Just like nature, our programs can act differently depending on conditions. Let's explore if, else statements. In JavaScript, we use conditional statements to make decisions. Imagine you're the weather. You behave differently in each season. We'll write a small program that prints a message for spring, summer, fall, and winter. Let's make our code follow the seasons. Here's where we begin. We'll create a variable called season and give it a value, like summer. Now we'll check what happens depending on that value. We start with an if statement. If it's spring, we'll print, it's spring, the trees are budding. But what if it's not spring? We use else if to add more condition, like winter. This allows our program to check for other possibilities, such as winter. We can keep going. Let's add fall and summer too, expanding our program's seasonal awareness. Multiple else-if statements create multiple paths for our code to follow, covering all seasons. What if someone types a season that doesn't exist? That's when we use else, our catch-all option. The else block provides a default action for any input that doesn't match previous conditions. Here's the full version of our seasonal program demonstrating the complete if-else structure. Observe how the code runs and the output changes based on the season variable. To summarize, if checks the first condition, else if adds more possible outcomes, and else catches anything that doesn't match. Only one block of code runs at a time, making this structure perfect for decisions like what should happen next.